This interview is brought to you by Verizon. When the Navy and the Marine Corps look to securely and effectively modernize their network and voice communications in the continental United States or outside the contiguous United States, Verizon's suite of services, solutions, and contract vehicles are there to help meet mission needs.
Hi, I'm Jordan McDonald, staff writer with GovCIO Media and Research, and today I'm joined by Matthew Quinn, Joint Operational Edge Product Owner at DISA. Matthew, the Joint Operational Edge has celebrated over a year since it went live. What are some of the lessons learned that you've carried on?
Over the last year, we've done a great deal of learning. We've discovered a lot of things that the CSPs are able to do as we extend the cloud beyond the continental United States. We're also starting to learn some of the limitations that are out there as we go and field these things. We've got several different mission partners and mission owners who have started to onboard into this environment. And so they're starting to learn how that they can leverage that localized compute and storage to really meet their mission needs.
Can you help me understand how the JO functions within the larger substructure of the Joint Warfighting Cloud capability?
JO is actually a consumer of the JWCC IDIQ. So all of our purchases are done through that process. So for instance, we recently awarded a new task order to cover us through fiscal year 25. And that was done using a best value trade-off competition on that task order. So we're actually consuming those services.
And so understanding that the JO operates outside the continental US, what considerations are you making as you're looking for new locations to operate?
Yeah, so we're really looking to partner with the combatant commands. And so most of the major combatant commands have already provided the DoD-CIO a list of their priority locations where they're looking to extend cloud and get additional hosting. With that, we were able to take those priorities, find DISA data centers where possible, and start to actually expand into other mission partner data centers or mission owner data centers, such as Navy or Army, and we're looking to partner with them to continue to expand it. One of the difficult things is the amount of power available in some of our OCONUS areas is not quite the same as the amount of power that we can get in a traditional US hosted facility. And so we're working to understand what those limitations are and work with the cloud service providers to actually find solutions that will fit within our existing footprints in real estate.
The JO's been operating for about a year now. Could you tell us what the next year might look like?
Over the course of the next year, we're looking to expand both our footprint in Indo-PACOM as well as to put an initial footprint out there in the UCOM and CENTCOM AORs. And so we're really trying to sit there and continue to grow the capability and meet the demand signal that we're seeing from the combatant commands.
Well, Matt, thank you so much for joining us. I'm looking forward to seeing how the future of the JO continues.